the legend is back, and it looks better than ever. Suzuki has officially unveiled the 2027 Hayabusa Special Edition, giving the iconic hyperbike a fresh new identity with exclusive styling, premium details, and the same breathtaking performance that riders around the world love. But is this new special edition worth the extra money? Let's take a closer look. The biggest highlight of the 2027 Hayabusa Special Edition is its exclusive new color scheme. Suzuki combines pearl brilliant white with metallic Oort gray, finished with bold red accents that give the bike a cleaner yet more aggressive appearance. The iconic Hayabusa Kanji logo has also been redesigned with a premium finish, making this special edition instantly recognizable. Suzuki even includes a color-matched solo seat cowl as standard, giving the bike a more race-inspired look straight from the factory. Every detail has been carefully refined to make this one of the most elegant Hayabusas ever produced. Under the bodywork, the legendary 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-four engine remains unchanged. It continues to deliver smooth, effortless power with incredible high-speed stability, exactly what the Hayabusa is famous for. The bike also features Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System, including multiple riding modes, power mode selector, launch control, motion track ABS, engine brake control, and the bidirectional quick shifter. One welcome improvement is the updated Smart Cruise Control, which now remains active while shifting gears using the quick shifter, making long-distance touring even more comfortable. Suzuki has also equipped the special edition with a lightweight lithium-ion battery, helping improve reliability while reducing overall weight. The 2027 Hayabusa Special Edition carries a price tag of $20,399 in the US, around $700 more than the standard model. So, what do you get for the extra money? Mostly exclusive styling, premium finishing touches, and a few convenience upgrades rather than additional horsepower. Still, if you're looking for the most distinctive factory Hayabusa available today, this special edition is hard to ignore. So, what do you think? Is the 2027 Suzuki Hayabusa Special Edition the best-looking Hayabusa ever built, or would you stick with the standard version? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.